Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to deal with the compiler errors in code block. So some of you have issues with code block when you're installing it, and all of a sudden you have issues, you cannot run. When I click on run, it gives me these errors. So how do you debug these errors? How do you get rid of them? First and foremost, I need to check what is the version I'm using. I'm using 17.12. This is a very old version, so I first get rid of it by closing. Let me close here. Yes, I want to close. Then I'll go to control panel, and then I'll uninstall it. Code block. Double click on it and then uninstall. Uninstall it. Just a little bit of patience. Okay. So after removing the code block, I will ensure I have internet connectivity on my PC, which is okay, and then I'll get to the online. Go and look for code block. Okay, this is codeblocks.org. okay, downloads. Okay, click on code block. Alright, then I'll get to my left, the news, futures, downloads. Click on downloads. There is download the binary release. Okay, I need to go to binary release. Alright, the binary release has Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. I'll scroll down for Windows. Definitely also scroll down for Linux if you're using Linux or Mac computer. So get to Windows. I'm using Windows already. The first one is 20.3. You see, I'm able to use 17.12, which is very old version. So I think you need to download this version 20.03 MINGW setup. So I'm going to download this. It will start downloading automatically. I just need to wait for my setup to get downloaded. So it takes a little bit of time. Yeah, this setup is around 145 MBs. Okay. Wow, finally it's done. So I have to open. And run it. Just click on it once and run. Say yes. And then you go to next, go to next, go to next, install. You have to be patient as you wait for it to run without interruptions. Just a little bit of time till it's almost getting done. We are trying to sort out a problem, and the problem could have been because we have an old version we installed on our machine. It's not compatible, and that's why it's bringing us a compiler error. So that's why we are running a new version of the code block, so that we can do our programming very well. We are almost there. Alright, so they're saying, do you want to run the code block? Yes, we do. Want to see whether the problem is solved. Okay, here we are. So we are going to try to test and create a new project. There's an interface here. Click on new, go to console application, click on it, select, and then go to go. Next, picking C++, and then maybe I call it test. Go to next. Yes, this compiler, it's the one giving us errors. So I say okay, fine. So I get to source main cpp, and then try to run. Wow, so my problem is solved. So that means I had an old version of a code block. So but sometimes when the problem persists, you get to settings, and then you go to settings, and then go to compiler. After getting to compiler, you go to tool chains, and then make sure you auto detect, and say okay and close, and you'll be able to run and to have no problem. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. God bless you.